Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another vlog in my life. So today is not really going the way that I expected it to. So I had a full plan. I was going to wake up early, which I did, but I was going to wake up early. I was going to get dressed in my activewear. I was going to go outside, and I was gonna go for a nice long walk and then just go and relax outside. And then after that, I was going to come in and just dress in a very cute outfit, just like a tank top and maybe some cute shorts. Yeah, it is freezing outside. So that all kind of changed. So now I'm just like in a big old sweatshirt, but I am like matching. I'm wearing like the same color sweatpants. So it's still kind of a cute outfit. But as far as like going out for a walk and go and relax outside, as far as like my little morning routine that I was gonna do, yeah, no. Anyways, good morning. Welcome to another video. Remember every day, every single lie. I'm never going back. Okay, so one thing that I did want to share with you guys, this app right here is called I Am. So what it basically is just kind of like a daily affirmation, but what it is and what's cool about it is you can choose how many times a day you want to be reminded with an affirmation, and you get to choose like what kind of affirmations you want to receive. So whether that's about love, whether it's about anxiety or stress, or just like being positive. I love it because whenever I was going through like a little rough time a few weeks ago, I downloaded the app and it's completely free, and I made it to where like I would get reminded 10 plus times a day of different daily affirmations, and it really helped me like stop and think, because a lot of the affirmations isn't just like remember to love yourself, but it's a lot of like ones that make you think. Like today's affirmations said, I understand to have a new beginning, I must let go of what is holding me back. And it's just kind of like little sayings like that that really just make you stop and think. So I don't know, if you're interested in that and you like daily affirmations, then definitely check out this app. Like I said, it's completely free. You can do a subscription with it to where like you do pay and it'll be like the pro settings and stuff like that, but I'm perfectly fine with just the free version. But yeah, just if you want that. One thing that I want to do today is I want to change out my earrings. So like I have the diamond one. Let me put this down. So I have the diamond one right here, and I want to change that out to a pearl. But it's been over the 3 weeks, so it's time. It's okay for me to change them out. I'm just really nervous because this is like my first ever piercing, as y'all would have seen in my other video. So okay. All right, so I got the other earrings out. Okay, here we go. Let's do this one first. Let's get this in. Ooh, all right, that slid in very easily. Ooh. Oh my goodness, you guys, you see that? It's so pretty. Oh, I love the double pearl. On to the next one now. This is that I'm a little worried about. Ow! I'll be back whenever I have it in. Ooh, my ear feels like it's on fire. That one kind of hurt a little bit more. But, oh my goodness, look at this. You see how pretty? Oh my goodness. I'm obsessed. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wash my sheet. Not like my pink sheets, because I just washed those the other day, but this like white comforter kind of thing, because I was sick last week, so I don't want like all the germs and stuff. So I'm just going to wash that. I might wash my sheets again, but I washed them literally like 2 days ago, and I'm feeling like a lot better. Like I've been feeling a lot better. I want to wash this white sheet just to be safe. So there's escape, no fear of the pain. And every time I forget just where I am, there's no need for a plan. I'll land where I land. excited because I haven't made my bed for the past week because I haven't been feeling well, and I wanted to like not put all my germs on like my pillows and stuff like that. So I'm so excited today. As soon as I get my sheet all clean, then I'll be able to make my bed. And I actually have some new pillowcases that I have been dying to put on my new pillows. Aspen, hey, peekaboo. Hey, buddy. He's really cute, but it can also be a little annoying in the morning whenever he's meowing at 5 a.m. But gotta love him. I'm blending in with the bed. Ooh, so I just found out that we are going get fraps as a family. It's kind of like a little tradition that we do. Today is Saturday. So we are about to head off that way. So gotta grab my mask because you know we gotta be safe out there. Okay, you guys, so I actually got this box in the mail, and hold on. I actually got this package in the mail the other day, and it is my cat's bed. I am so excited to unbox this. So let me grab my scissors. Okay, so I bought this bed for my cat because he has been using my robe as his bed lately, and I am just tired of that being on my bed. And okay, check it out. Look, bud, I got you a new bed. Oh, you're gonna like this, bud. Hope you like this. Or else I spent $20 for nothing. This is the back of it. Oh, that's like a decent size. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let me see. Where do I open this from? Everyone's gonna like the Christmas present. Oh, look at that. Bud, look what I got for you. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. I love how flat it is too. I was afraid that it was gonna be like huge. This is like perfect. Hey, bud, look what I got for you. I got you a new bed. What do you think? Look, it's a new bed. He's like not even. Look at that. Ooh. How soft is that, huh? Go try it out. Go try it out, bud. What do you think? Do you like it? No? Just help you out a little bit. Aspen, not in my pillows. Come here. Bed, bud. This is your new bed. That's your new bed, bud. Well, I'll let you get adjusted. Hopefully he'll end up liking it because I don't want him to like be getting on this. I don't want him getting on my blanket. I want him just to have like his own little space. So I'm hoping that he ends up liking it. But right now, he just likes the pillows. You silly cat. I got this for you. Got him to get in his bed. Look. Do you like it? Do you like it, buddy? I hope you like it. This is where you're going to be sleeping from now on. Oh, I got to get a picture of you. You're so cute. Okay, you guys, here's the ultimate test. I'm going to see if my cat is still sleeping in the bed. Buddy, you so happy. Okay. I left for about 20 to 30 minutes, so I wanted to see if he still liked the bed. And yay, he does. Oh, I'm so happy. Yay.